Saying then the shaded region is bounded by the lines L1, here L2 and the curve. Find the area of the shaded region. Now the area sort of underneath the x-axis is the curve, isn't it? The area that's bounded by the curve. So we just integrate the curve here, okay, which is nice and straightforward between these values. The area above the x-axis is just a triangle, okay? So remember with a triangle, we can do half base times height if we know that information, and in this case we actually do, okay, because if we take the base to be this side here, okay, which will be the distance from B to C, so because the x value there is 1, the x value there is 5, that distance is going to be 4. The height then is going to be perpendicular to the base, so the height will be here going to E, which will be at the right angle, and we know that height to be 2 because it's the coordinate of E, isn't it? So in total you get your answer to be 4. Now area then under curve, okay, between the curve and the x-axis will be for the curve x squared minus 6x plus 5 with respect to x from 1 and 5. Okay, so lower limit is 1, upper limit is 5. So if we integrate this then, so we get x cubed upon 3 minus, well, 6x squared, yeah, upon 2 plus then 5x. So I'm increasing the power by 1, dividing by new power. That becomes 5x between 5 and 1. So if you want to then make this a little bit more pleasant, 6 over 2 is 3, isn't it? Okay. 5 and 1. So we plug 5 in. So we'll have 5 cubed over 3 minus 3 times 5 squared plus 5 times 5. Take away then, we put 1 in there. So 1 cubed over 3 minus 3 times 1 squared plus 5 times 1. So I'm going to work out each bracket separately. So I've got the first bracket, I've got minus 25 over 3. Take away then the second bracket, I've got 7/3. So when I put that together, that comes out to be minus 32 over 3. Now we expect it to be negative, don't we? Okay, because it's underneath the x-axis. So the actual area then is the positive, isn't it? So we take the positive of it, the actual size of it, because we want area has to be positive, doesn't it? But we would come out negative because these are negative y values. So to get the final answer, the total area will be the triangle, which is 4 plus then 32 over 3. So I'll just check that on my calculator. Comes out to be 44 over 3.